Alright guys, that's my dog over there. Today I'm going to be making him work for his food. Oh, and it's Captain Crunch, his favorite I guess, because look at him. Oh! Anyway, today guys, you're going to see Finny work for his food. Did you see that? That was a bomb. That's what I call them. But that's a bomb. 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 And the ones that don't make it over there, I kick towards him. Shaboom. Sorry guys, it's just too funny. Oh my god, this guy is hilarious. Finny. Oh my god. Hey Finn! Finn! Guys, get me there. See that? That's where it's gonna go. Finny! You see it, cool boys? You see it? For your trouble, Finn. Alright, well that's gonna be it. Actually, you guys ready for the finale? Look at it. Oh, he's gonna clean it all up. Face reveal. Hey guys. I just wanna say, like, subscribe, and comment for more crazy content like this. Bye.